Hey, hi everyone. I know that at the end of class we didn't really get a chance to finish that percent composition problem that we kind of ended up looking at once we did the reaction between sulfur and iron. So I was thinking of trying to do it on the board with you right now so you can hopefully look at it when you get home. So we had the mass of the test tube, and that was 46.86 grams. We also had the mass of iron before, the one that I added, 3.05 grams, and also the mass of sulfur, which was 4.46 grams. And I mentioned the fact that I intentionally added an excess amount of this. Okay? And then after the reaction happened, after I heated it, I ended up with a total mass, the mass of the test tube, plus the compound that was in there, which we discussed was a combination of the iron and the sulfur. It was 51.60 grams. Now, the first step, I hope you can see that. Yep. Now, the first step would be to find just the mass of the compound. So to do that, we want to subtract out the mass of the test tube. So we want to find the mass of compound is just the mass of the compound and the test tube, this one right here, 51.60, minus just the mass of the test tube. We want to subtract that out. So 86. And so we get that the compound is 4.71 grams. This is FeS. I'm doing the example. Okay? So if this is the compound FeS and we want to find the percent of iron, we know that I added 3.05 grams of iron. And that's all the iron that is in this the total mass. So the percent of iron would be the mass of iron over the mass, the entire mass of the compound, grams of FeS. And since we want a percent, this is the part over the whole times 100. So we would get a percent for the iron. So 64.8% of this compound is iron. And since the other part of the compound is sulfur, then from 100%, we know that the rest has to be sulfur. So that means we have 35.2% sulfur. This here is the iron. There we go. Hope that made sense.